Hi, this is Kyle Pope. I'm in front of my home here in Amarillo, Texas, and I'd like to talk with you for a moment about this year's Truth Lectures. They'll be the last full week in June in Athens, Alabama at the Athens Bible School. This year the theme is Taking His Hand, Helping Each Other Home. You know, all of us need the guidance that God offers us through His Word, and the way that we reach out to take His hand is by following what He teaches within His Word. We weren't put here on earth to simply take care of our own lives. We were made to help others, and especially to help others towards the goal of heaven. This year I'm honored to have the last lecture on Thursday night, and my topic is talking about the subject of home. Have you ever thought about how important the theme of home is in our culture? We have songs on the radio that sing to us about wanting to go home. We sing in our churches songs about making Christian homes or the goal of a home in heaven. In our lecture, we're going to look a little bit at how important it is to have a biblical concept of home, how that affects our attitudes towards the church and even towards eternal life. We'll look at some examples of those that maybe didn't have the kind of homes that they should, but it set before them the hope of a home in heaven. I'd love to have you come and join us. We invite you to this year's lectures, Taking His Hand, Helping Each Other Home.